Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Introducing to you, solution to forever silky, soft and shining hair or wigs. As a hair specialist, I have used and reviewed different hair products, but this is a discovery. This is KARSEELL hair care products that works like magic on your hair. These are the 3 major ones you need to get. The KARSEELL Collagen Maca Essence Repair. The KARSEELL Shampoo. Smells lovely and wash deeply. The KARSEELL Conditioner. Bring your hair or wigs back to life with these 3 products.
Maca Collagen Hair Mask. Step 1. Shampoo your hair. Step 2. Use KARSEELL hair mask. Apply to the middle and the end of the hair. Wait for 10-15 minutes to let the hair absorb completely. Step 3. Rinse off with clean water. Make your hair silky all the time.
Here comes the miracle worker. KARSEELL hair mask. For forever shining and silky results. Also available in sachet. If you are interested in buying small quantity, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also let me know if you will be trying this products in the comment section below, and don't forget to share someone might be in need. Here are various videos showing how it works in hair or wigs. Click on the link in the description or comment section below to get yours. Thank for watching. Bye.